welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something super exciting for all you entrepreneurs and business owners out there. A comprehensive tutorial on how to use WhatsApp Business and grow your audience in 2024. Now, WhatsApp Business has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their customers in a more personal and effective way. So, let's dive right into it and understand how can we utilize its power to the fullest. Let's start by understanding how to create a WhatsApp Business account. Step 1. First step is setting up your WhatsApp Business account. It's pretty straightforward. Just head over to the App Store, download WhatsApp Business and follow the prompts to create your account. Make sure to use your business phone number for verification. Once you've set up your account, you can customize your business profile with important details like your business name, logo, address, and business hours. Now, this helps customers easily identify your business and know when you're available. Step 2. Managing your contacts and chats host. Now that your account is set up, let's talk about managing your contacts and chats. You can easily import your existing contacts or manually add the new ones directly into the app. Once you've got your contacts sorted, you can start chatting with your customers. WhatsApp Business offers features like quick replies, labels, and automated messages to streamline your conversations and provide better customer services. Step 3. Using business tools and features. Moving on to step 3, using business tools and features, WhatsApp Businesses comes with a bunch of handy tools to help you run your business more efficiently. You can create and send out professional looking catalogs showcasing your products or services, set up automated greetings and away messages, and even use the WhatsApp Business API for more advanced integrations with your CRM system. Step 4. Analyzing insights and metrics. Last but not the least, this step allows analyzing insights and metrics. WhatsApp Business provides valuable insights into your business performance, such as message open rates, response times, and customer engagement metrics. By analyzing these metrics, you can gain valuable insights into your customer behavior and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly to drive better results. Now let's discuss why using WhatsApp is great for your business. Number 1 is improve your customer service with a WhatsApp Business account by employing quick replies for prompt answers to frequently asked questions, using labels to organize users and messages, and setting up away messages and greeting messages for immediate responses. Number 2. Enable easy and affordable communication with international clients through WhatsApp Business. Number 3 is utilize the WhatsApp Business Catalog tool to create a mobile storefront, allowing customers to browse and access product details seamlessly. Number 4 is upload up to 500 products with images, descriptions, and prices and links in the WhatsApp Business Catalog. Number 5 is utilize WhatsApp Business for internal communication, utilizing the group chat feature for messaging up to 256 people and sharing PDFs and documents up to 100 MB. Number 6, network with other professionals using WhatsApp Business, utilizing the video call tool for professional networking and syncing with a desktop for convenient communication from an office computer. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to use WhatsApp Business in 2024. Whether you are a small local business or a global enterprise, WhatsApp Business can help you connect with your customers in a more meaningful way and grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.